Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of AI voices. We'll explore how you can effortlessly transform any text into natural-sounding speech using some of the best free text-to-speech AI tools available. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just curious about AI, this tutorial is for you. Get ready to unlock the power of AI narration and elevate your projects. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we'll do is open our web browser. Any browser will work. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to chatgpt. Simply type chatgpt into your search bar and click on the official link. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, you might need to quickly sign up or log in, but it's a very straightforward process. Once you're on the ChatGPT interface, we're going to ask it for something simple, a success quote. In the chat box, type, "Give me a success quote," and press Enter. ChatGPT, being the incredibly versatile AI it is, will instantly generate a unique success quote for you. We'll be using this quote for our text-to-speech conversion later, so keep this tab open. Now, let's open a brand new web browser tab or window. In this new tab, we're going to search for Subnp. Make sure you spell it correctly, Subnp. Click on the official Subnp link that appears in your search results. This should take you directly to their homepage. As the Subnp website loads, take a moment to look around. You'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface. Our focus today is on creating AI voices, but it's worth noting that Subnp offers other fantastic features. In the top right corner of the website, you'll spot a prominent Create button. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking Create will reveal a small drop-down menu with 3 distinct options. You'll see Create Image, Create TTS, and Free N8N. Just as a side note, I've previously covered how to generate stunning AI images using Subnp in another video. If you're interested in that, I'll make sure to link that tutorial in the description below this video so you can check it out after this one. But for today, our mission is to convert text into speech, so we will select the Create TTS option. TTS, of course, stands for Text-to-Speech. Once you click Create TTS, the page will refresh slightly, bringing up the text-to-speech interface. Scroll down just a little bit, and you'll find a text box. It's clearly labeled, saying something like, "Enter the text you want to convert to speech." This is where our success quote from ChatGPT comes into play. Go back to your ChatGPT tab where you generated the success quote. Highlight the entire quote and copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Now switch back to your Subnp tab. Click inside the text box labeled Enter the text you want to convert to speech, and paste the quote you just copied. Again, you can right-click and select Paste, or use Control-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. Once your text is pasted, it's time for the fun part, customizing your AI voice. Subnp offers some excellent options here. You'll see choices for voice style and voice itself. Under Voice Style, you can select the overall tone of the speech. Options might include professional, friendly, or storyteller, among others. Experiment with these to see what best fits your content. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose Storyteller to give our quote a more engaging and narrative feel. Next, under Voice, you can pick a specific AI voice. Subnp provides a variety of unique voices, often named things like choral, shimmer, echo, fable, or nova. Each voice has its own distinct characteristics and sound. It's a good idea to listen to a few samples if they're available to find the one you like best. For our example today, I will choose Fable. I find Fable has a nice, clear, and somewhat warm tone that I think will work perfectly for a success quote. After selecting your voice style and voice, look for the Generate Speech button. Go ahead and click it. Now sometimes, especially if it's your first time using Subnp or if you're not logged in, the website might prompt you to log in before generating the speech. Don't worry, this is a very common and secure process. You can typically log in quickly and easily using your Google account. Just click on the Login with Google or similar option, follow the prompts, and once you're logged in, you can continue with generating your speech. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once you've clicked Generate Speech and are logged in, Subnp will begin processing your text. This process usually only takes a short moment, but the exact time can vary depending on the length of your text and current website traffic. Just be patient for a few seconds while the AI works its magic. After the audio has been generated, Subnp will provide you with a preview. You'll usually see an audio player appear on the page. Click the play button to listen to the AI voice recite your success quote. This is your chance to check if you're happy with the pronunciation, the pacing, and the overall quality of the generated speech. Listen carefully. Does it sound natural? Is the chosen voice style appropriate for your text? If you're completely satisfied with the preview,
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
then congratulations, you've successfully converted text to AI voice. The next step is to download the audio file to your computer. You'll usually find a download button or icon right next to the audio player. Click on it, and your browser will prompt you to save the audio file. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save it, give it a recognizable name if you wish, and click Save. And just like that, you have a high-quality AI voice recording, completely free. This AI voice can now be used for a multitude of purposes: adding narration to your videos, creating engaging audio content, making presentations more accessible, or even just listening to articles and books on the go. The possibilities are truly endless, and all powered by these incredible, free AI tools. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of AI voices here at Vision Academy. I hope this tutorial has been clear, helpful, and has empowered you to create amazing audio content. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vision Academy for more insightful tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using these tools, leave a comment below. We'd love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep learning.